Gratitude may be one of the most powerful attributes that we have and that we can expand in our life. We're going to do a quick meditation about gratitude. Gratitude, it's powerful. So in this moment, I'd like you to settle in, let go of any tension. Take a deep breath. Let it out. I'd like you to imagine that right in the center of your chest is a ball of white light. And it's our heart of gratitude, and it's beating. And I'd like you to imagine that heart of gratitude expanding so that it's no longer just in your chest, it's outside of you. And I'd like you to imagine that heart of gratitude shifting to the right. And that heart of gratitude shifts to the person to your right, and that you are so thankful for them. And send that thought of gratitude to the person on your right. And then that heart of gratitude shifts to the left. And that you are so thankful for the person to your left. And that heart of gratitude shifts to in front of you. And you send your thanks, your gratitude to the person in front of you. And now, that heart of gratitude that keeps expanding, you can imagine the person behind you. And your heart of gratitude shifts to the person behind you. And allow Spirit in this time to bring to your mind someone else, maybe who's not here. Maybe they're no longer even in a body. And shift your heart of gratitude even more. Expand it to where your thankfulness encompasses those who are not here. Maybe not even here in the body. Our state of gratitude is powerful. It's present. It's here for us. I'm grateful for you. Allow Spirit to continue to bring to you names, images, people for which you can extend that heart of gratitude. And as we sit in the silence together, let that heart of gratitude keep growing and growing to encompass the entire world. As we breathe in and as we breathe out, may our heart of gratitude always lead the way. And so it is. And so it is.